Waste incineration plant bring benefits to humanity. Garbage economy. In modern economy, recycle economy means reduction, resourceful and harmless. It has the characteristic of resource, production, renewable resources. The garbage is no longer the waste, but valuable resource. Nowadays, incineration power plant is the most popular way to deal with garbage, fully harmless and size reduction. It is the ideal way to reuse the waste. Sophisticated technology. Based on German Martin technology, mechanical-grade incinerator technology is considered to be mature, reliable, effective, and environmentally friendly. It has the features of suitable for unsorted, high moisture and low calorific value waste, reliable non-stop operation, low maintenance costs. The lifespan of the grade is estimated to be more than 10 years. The standard of waste emissions is in line with European Union standards. A 3-section incineration grade system is to be used. Bilayers combustion technology are used in grade incinerator. The hearth is composed of mechanical-grade blocks. The waste will be processed by the 3 sections in sequence, that is preheating and drying, burning and burn out. Because of the relative motion of the grades and the gravity of the waste itself, the waste is constantly mixed, stirred and moved forward. The heat comes not only from the radiation above as well as the convection of smoke, but also from the burning waste itself. The burn waste is being mixed and stirred by the constant moving of grades, which brings bottom wasted burning. Whereas the constant mixing and stirring makes the waste loose and enhances air permeability. Furthermore, its benefit for the wastes drying up, ignition, combustion and burnout. The normal operation temperature ranges from 850 degrees to 950 degrees. Reliable incineration power plant. The advantage of this process is reliable and long-term operation. Also, it has a wider inlet of feeder, not requiring for crushing and sorting, which is suitable for unsorted domestic garbage. Inside the incinerator, the garbage is evenly distributed and the layer is stable. Benefit for complete combustion and huge garbage disposal. Without adding the coal into the burning, less dust and sulfur dioxide are emitted, which reduces the burden of the precipitator and the pressure of the blower. Its benefit from less capacity, less power consumption, and lower operating costs. Some measures was taken to prevent from the smoke, solid waste and leachate that was produced in the middle of technological process. A flue gas cleaning treatment process of the combined SNCR rotary spray tower, activated carbon injection and a bag filter will be adopted in the plant to meet the European emission standards. That is, the dioxin emission is lower than 0.1 nanograms per cubic nanometer. Particulates lower than 10 milligrams per cubic nanometer. Sulfur dioxide lower than 50 milligrams per cubic nanometer. Nitrogen oxides lower than 200 milligrams per cubic nanometer. Fly ash remained from flue gas treatment system is to be landfill after being solidified and stabilized by the curing agent and chelating agent. A water seal slag remover is to be used for slag treatment, while a belt conveyor transfers slag to the bunker for further processing, which is used as additives for the bricks and cement production. This will achieve the lowest emission of dust. Leachate from the waste stacking is to be processed under a fully closed condition to avoid odor. For the leachate treatment, a technology of biochemical and ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis membrane is adopted. Try to get to the standard of recycling the municipal wastewater by the plant itself rather than being released. Clean and tidy plant, peaceful and beautiful gardens, stainless floors, bright and spacious office. A modern municipal waste incineration power plant is more like a green park than plant itself. We believe that in the near future, a modern waste incineration power plant will become a landmark of the city. Economy and social benefits. In China, waste incineration enterprises mainly take in the model of government-authorized franchise. Burning a ton of garbage, local government sponsored $20 and double the stake electoral valence. Each incineration line is expected to reach the following benefits. The amount of daily waste disposal is estimated to be 300 tons, maximum to 1,200 tons. If transferring the remaining heat into electricity, the power generation is estimated to be 400 kWh per ton. After deducting the self-consumption, the supply for the power grid will reach to 350 kWh per ton. If converting the power consumption into generated power, 128 kilograms coral is to be saved per ton.